Great videos are never created alone. By joining a team, you'll be able to work together with colleagues, share files seamlessly, and tell amazing stories that grow your business. Here are 3 reasons to try out Pictory's new Teams plan. Make your team the video team. One of the key advantages of a Teams plan is the ability to create a custom workspace dedicated to working on video projects with your colleagues. No more sending requests to a separate video team. By joining a Teams plan, you can work together in real time, ensuring smooth communication, efficient project management, and a quicker turnaround. Whether you're editing, reviewing, or providing feedback, the Teams plan enables you to collaborate effortlessly, increasing productivity and enhancing your overall editing process. 2. Build efficient editing workflows. Proper workflows are crucial for any video strategy. For any given video project, you'll have to receive raw footage, organize and host your assets, build your storyboard, and of course go through numerous reviews. No more back-and-forth emails or version control issues. Now you can control all aspects of your video workflow. By joining a Teams plan, you will have the tools to set up and customize a video editing workflow that works for your organization's specific needs. 3. Video for HR, sales, engineering, internal communications, and more. It's not news that digital video is the fastest growing content format, but what is news is that videos aren't only for marketers anymore. Empower teams across your organization with a Teams plan so they can start repurposing webinars, Zoom meetings, and all-hands recordings into stunning short-form videos.